Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Elsie. Okay, today is an exciting day, guys. This is Elsie and you are on Essentials with Elsie. So if you are new here, I film about faith, lifestyle, marriage and business. So I talk about God, I talk about marriage, I talk about lifestyle in general, and I talk about business. So I'm excited to share the business side of the content today. I'm excited because I have made my first sale on Esty. I know it's not a big deal, like people have made thousands of sales on Esty, but this means a lot to me. I don't know if you know how it feels to make your first sale as an entrepreneur. It's oh ha I already feel like a millionaire right now. Okay, I know. So it's like, it's not a big deal. I mean, we've done that with it. Yes, but this is a big deal to me. I think I actually made a video. My last video was talking about how to stay motivated to achieving your goals. And one thing that I emphasized was to celebrate your small victories. So this is a small victory to somebody else, but trust me, 1,000 steps start with one step, guys. 1,000 sales, $1 million starts with one sale. Somewhere, somehow, it starts with a sale. So for me, making a sale, it feels amazing. To me, this is an achievement. I received that email in the morning and I looked at it. I'm like, before I even opened, I started celebrating already, and I was like, I'm gonna share this. So you can see up there, shop advisor, underneath is congratulations, you've made your first sale. So I want you to keep in mind that it takes over a month, 2 to 3 months for most people to get their first sale, according to what I was reading online and hearing from YouTube. But it took me 2 weeks to get my first sale without advertising, without doing any other thing, just optimizing my shop for the search, for it to be found on search. And it's amazing that it worked. So that was the congratulations message and the email and everything. I spoke to the customer. We managed to sort out everything, and yeah, I'm just so excited. I mean, this is good news. Why I am very excited about this is because, one, I didn't share any link of my shop to anybody. I didn't tell any of my friends. No, my friends know that I'm doing this, but they don't know my shop. They haven't gotten the link yet. Not even my husband knows my link yet. He knows my shop name, but he doesn't have the link yet. I haven't shared this on any social media platform, no place. So I literally just posted this and I wanted to see how it's going to do before I start sharing my link to any place. And already I got a sale. I checked where the traffic was coming from, and it was coming within Esty, like when people search. So there's something I'm doing right that I really need to stay on. But the other reason why I'm excited is because this is a new line of business for me. I've never done this before. It's my first time trading in this kind of business. So it's actually amazing that I started with this and I already got a sale. So the crazy part about this business is that last year I got a revelation about it. I wrote it down, but I never did anything about it. I was so busy with other things. I was busy trying to get this and that happen. But this year, when I was given a chance to be free and not do a lot of things in my life, I started to research. And the more I researched, the more I got to learn, the more I discovered that it was a very viable business. But then I had to pray about it. So when I took time to pray, I literally had a confirmation, and it was 100% from the Spirit of God telling me, go for it. It was something I didn't doubt even when I woke up in the morning. What I did was I started to work hard researching and understanding what this business is all about and how things are created, how products are created. And when I started creating these products, it was days and days of sleepless nights. I slept late. I would work through the night and sleep 6 a.m. in the morning. And I remember the days where I would tell myself, you have to rest, because I was not resting. I was the reason why I was not resting as well is because I just wanted to get to make sure that I prove that the Spirit of God actually told me this. And for me, this was going to be proven by making a sale without advertising anywhere. So I posted on my Esty shop. I went through all these processes, verification processes, verifying your ID and everything. And why am I sharing this, guys? Like I said, I will be creating content on business, and I'm not that I have already arrived, but I believe that I have some $2-3 ideas that I can give out there and advice, because I have a lot of businesses that I've done. Some have failed, some have succeeded, some are no longer interested in them, but there's still customers coming. Make sure you subscribe. Just make sure you subscribe before you go. I'm gonna start a series of business content soon, and talking about all these things, failure, business ideas, and all those kind of things. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because you're gonna miss out on what I'm about to start. The series I'm gonna start soon. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, bye guys.